I'm Allison Cook. Today we will review Live Zoom on the OEC 1 CFD touch control panel and monitor. Live Zoom up to 4 times on any imaged anatomy during a fluoroshot or cine run. Live Zoom uses the same dose rate as normal images and less dose compared to images in mag mode. Once you have taken an image, use the touch control panel to enable Live Zoom. Extend both fingers to zoom in. Pan to the area of interest by using both fingers. Pinch both fingers to zoom out. Live Zoom can also be accessed via the monitor. Once desired image or cine run is acquired, click the magnifying glass on the right side of the monitor. Touch the slider at the right side and drag up to zoom in. Move the yellow box to the area of interest as needed. Click the magnifying glass, drag down to zoom out. Click Exit to close the zoom screen. Live Zoom can also be used with collimation. The left screen will display the zoomed image. Images can be zoomed up to 4 times in 0.1 increments. Please note, when the new exposure is in progress with the Live Zoom status, the left side monitor still remains zoomed in roam. The right will show the full field of view. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos at CRM Tips for Rad Techs.